So we untaped Deutz's fender wells. We painted the inside, or the well part of it where the tire is. We painted it the Rival charcoal. Well, anyway, that's done. And then we did the pearl white. So now we can start putting the front clip together on this truck. Hello everybody, Earl here at Classic Car Creations. Wanted to give you an update of what's going on in the shop. This week I have video footage, but I got to kind of put it all together because the 56 Chop Top is in the paint booth and we're painting the car. So, getting with Glenn, we want to kind of like do the big hoopla of the whole paint video. I think that's what's going to end up happening. Right now I'm already shooting the interior of the vehicle, getting the front portion staged, doing the doors today. Today is Thursday. So that is the update on that. Deutz's truck here, I have it kind of wrapped up and everything because when we're doing assembly on final, I like to keep everything, all the dust or anything that flies around in this crazy shop from getting on anything that is complete. So that's why you see a lot of blankets get on vehicles and whatnot. So that's pretty much what I got going on with it. It's going together really nice. I got to go to the upholstery shop. I made a phone call down to Terry at Carmichael's place. So we're going to be getting that done, the back wall done, door panels, all kinds of stuff. So it's all happening. I got to get them to order the colors, and then we got to order the carpeting and just get this interior done. We don't need to do any more work in there. We're pretty much finish out the wiring, put the dash cluster in, AC, power up the truck, make sure all that's good. Final the steering column out, put that all in, get the engine to run, put the tune in the engine, just a quick tune so I can start it up and move it, make sure the trans is good, everything else is in good working order. Finish out tailpipes. We're ready for just final stuff on the truck and the bed and whatnot, so that'll be huge for us. The 55 Chevy in the background, we are doing actually spray outs on color. I'll show you. Okay, so we're doing spray outs, and these are spray out cards, and the number that you see on here, there's a 5 or there's a 4 on here. There it is. Okay, well what that means is the value shade. 0 meaning white, value shade 7, 8, 9 meaning black. So that's the scale. The higher the number, the darker the color. So what I did here is that we usually shoot on value shade 4, rarely on a 5. So we're trying to get the colors for that 55 Chevy up there. We're trying to do that now because when Eleanor is done painted, we're going to bring that over and we're going to body and paint that one out real quick. We're not doing the whole car. We're just doing the firewall area and maybe even the trunk area, because that's already restored. But anyway, I wanted to show you why we're doing sprouts. And then you'll see there's orange sprout cars like this one here I could just showed you. That's for a race car. That's Hugger Orange, or Carousel Red if you want to call it that. Pretty neat color. I just recently shot the dash for it in that color, and I put pearl in it so it lightened it up a little bit. But this we're going to go with Hugger Orange right on the race car. We might get that one in, we don't know, but right now our main priority is Deus's truck, the 55 Eleanor, and we got a GTO over there. Here's Joe's Challenger. We are fitting the dash. Now, all these parts, they're not in. They're kind of just laying on the car. They're bolted on, but they're not bolted into the car. The dash is being fitted. We know we fit really good now. Now I got to put the brake pedal assembly in up under there and fit it to the cowl area, because we replaced all of the cowl. I want to make sure it fits right, and then we'll stick the steering column in. Once we're done mocking this up, he can take this back, send it out, and get it redone, and then we'll probably either restore all this in shop or he can restore it as well. Everybody, thanks for checking in with us. I just wanted to give you a quick update of everything. We do have a lot of footage. However, it is on the Eleanor car. When I final out the paintwork on the car, and I'll put that video up. I appreciate your patience. I am painting stuff, like I say. Those are C-Trex for even Deus's. We're just throwing everything that we can in the booth and getting it painted, getting it done as much as I can, and getting that old girl painted too. It's a big deal for us. It's a big deal for Glenn. And I know a lot of people that are on this channel, they always ask about this car. It's one of many cars, and it's one that is a special car for Glenn and us. But all of them are special, and they all need our attention, and I got to keep the pecking order in order. Everybody, thanks so much. I just wanted to let you know what's going on. Take care. We'll see you soon. Bye, everyone.